and welcome. This is Gilly Kube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. Now, I did a piece on this nice canvas and I just was not happy with it, so I didn't want to show the mess. You know that I do often show my messes, and I mean this one isn't any better, but I had house paint and I was using those boom gel paints, so I just decided to, as you've seen, scrape all that paint into the centre from my failed pour, and I'm going to do a blowout on this sort of like a big bloomy type thing. So I just layered all those lovely yummy colours, and just let's see what I can get with this on my winner spinner. Hope to spin it all out and create something out of it, and hope that it's not in vain.
With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near.
So as you can see, there was some lovely colours showing up in that, but I didn't really particularly like that sort of burnt orange colour there, and I just wasn't happy with it. So I just thought, I've got to just push on. The feeling was, oh my goodness, I'm not having a good day today, because everything I seemed to do was just going to pot. It was not working out. But you know, we all have days like that. And I suppose the lesson here is just keep pushing on. Just keep doing what you do. And, you know, if this doesn't turn out a really great one, then, you know, it was an experiment. But all in all, it was a bit frustrating, but I just pushed on with it. So I want to keen to see what you think of the end result. I will show it you dry, and I will show you how I do my wipe on varnish technique too. So I'll use this piece as a demonstration.
With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. He hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake, the jet plane filled up all the space. The wheels went up and got so near, the leaves would fall like paper tears.
Yeah, I just couldn't get this piece right. I fiddled and faffed, and I was flummoxed by it. But the beautiful colours, look, now I'm looking back at it, I think all those colours, and even the centre was lovely. But at the time, I just wasn't feeling it. So It was frustrating, but I did just let it dry after this. I left it alone, I left it to dry, and now I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is a gloss pouring medium, and I've added some warm water and a little bit of dragonfly glaze for sparkle, and this is what I'm going to coat my paint, my piece in. I can still resin it when this dries if I so choose, because this will give it like an isolation coat. And then I use this wipe on method, easiest way of varnishing your pieces. So I actually got a few gooby bits in there, but I can wipe them off, that's not a problem. So this is, yeah, very easy way of resin coat or varnish coating your pieces, the wipe on, wipe off, because that will basically dry in 10 minutes, and then you store it in my little container. And the same with the mixture. It'll dry in 10 minutes, and then you can just keep recoating it until it's the gloss level that you're happy with. So winner, winner, chicken dinner. I'd love to put something in there. Not sure what, but that's me. I can't leave anything alone. But give me some ideas, because I actually love that piece. It took a crazy journey, but it got there in the end.
Coffee in a paper cup. The engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade